Hello, welcome to Worldview Connections. Today we're starting a very cool series. Stay with us. We're going to have a few videos here on aliens and UFOs. Worldview Connections, Worldview series, Worldview Mysteries, I should say, with Isaac Matthews. So to start off, who or what are the aliens? Space invaders, extraterrestrials, ET, cosmic gods, the Watchers, universal guardians, Martians, Jovians, Venetians, and other names you've probably heard. And what are UFOs? Unidentified flying objects, spaceships, chariots of fire, starships, flying saucers, aerial phenomenon, starcraft, and more. These words we've heard about aliens and UFOs. Now, first, let me be clear. When researching this topic, aliens and UFOs, we must keep in mind that this gets into so many subtopics and ideas that it is impossible to address every case, aspect, and idea related to aliens and UFOs. For example, this topic gets into involving scientific studies, government investigations, conspiracy theories, religion, the paranormal, and many other cool areas of interest and fascinating topics, but I will not be presenting all there is on this incredible topic. However, I do hope that you enjoy what I have to present today because believe me, I have gone down quite the wormhole just making this presentation, with which I've enjoyed. Uh, let's begin. Are UFOs real? In this photograph, one of the earliest, is a purported UFO in Passaic, New Jersey, July 31st, 1952. Is all this a hoax? Are UFOs just misidentified objects in the sky? A myth? There are thousands of UFO sightings reported from around the world throughout human history. For example, many researchers and scholars from various fields of expertise have identified evidence of UFOs and aliens in many sources we will consider today. Our search for answers begins in space. Scientific research. Is there life, especially intelligent life, which is like humanity, a humanoid, on other planets throughout our own galaxy or somewhere in the universe? Is there life on other worlds? Scientific theories about the origins of life on Earth and a scientific theory called panspermia kind of talk about this, that there were life on other worlds millions of years before us, or billions of years ahead of it, and that this earth has been planted with this life. So as you see in this picture, there's a scene from the movie Prometheus, a 2012 science fiction film directed by Ridley Scott, part of the Alien series. Great stuff there. But you see that this was how life began on the earth. The alien gods and life on other worlds. There's scientific theories, as we mentioned, and as you look in this picture here, this is sorry that not too close up here, but it's evolutionary biologist Richard Dawkins, and he's sitting with Ben Stein in this documentary, Expelled, No Intelligence Allowed, about the debate about God and creation and biology. But what's interesting about this interview, and I encourage you to watch this clip that he talks about, basically, Richard Dawkins talks about how, even though he doesn't believe in the traditional God of Judaism, Islam, and Christianity, he does see a potential, maybe if there was life on other worlds, millions, billions ahead of us, evolved into higher intelligence, had weaponry or transportation and medicine. And if we met them, they would seem like gods to us. And so I wanted to put that in there, that this kind of goes in with the alien theories and alien and UFOs. So with this alien gods and life on other worlds, the speculative theories presented by scientists, authors, and researchers, including Carl Sagan, Harold Tom Wilkins, Aaron von Däniken, Zachariah Sitchin, and others, I'm not going to mention all of them. Is there evidence of any of this being true? Is there any evidence of this in our ancient cultures? Here is a Sumerian depictions of the Anunnaki gods flying in whirlwinds. And we'll finish on this slide here today. So we're going to get into what's known as the ancient astronauts hypothesis. What about this hypothesis, this theory? Are aliens our creators or guardians from another world or galaxy? Is this the paranormal and pseudo-scientific myths? Please stay with us on to the next video as we go through this series about aliens and UFOs on Worldview.